video, we're tasked to find the radius of convergence for the series sum from m equals 0 to infinity, 2/3 raised to the mth power times x raised to the 2m power. This is a power series in terms of x squared, and so the general form of the term sequence a sub n is going to be 2/3 raised to the mth power times x to 2m. So basically this thing right here is our a sub m. And this we can rewrite if we factor out an m. So you can rewrite it like this: 2/3 raised to the mth power x squared raised to the mth power. We can factor out the m power and multiply the inside to get 2/3 x squared. So this is going to be a geometric series with the ratio being 2/3 x squared. And so this is going to converge when the absolute value of r is less than 1. So we want the ratio, the absolute value of 2/3 x squared, to be less than 1. In order to do that, we want to solve for x. So the first thing to do is move the 2/3 to the other side by multiplying both sides by 3/2. So that gives us the absolute value of x squared is less than 3/2. And then I'm going to take the square root. So taking the square root of both sides, we have the absolute value of x is less than absolute value of 3/2. Notice that if this was x squared equals 3/2, we would get plus or minus root 3 over 2. But because we have an absolute value, we want to make sure it's less than the positive version, because the absolute value is never less than a negative. And so now this right here represents the radius of convergence. So r is going to be the square root of 3/2.